Hello everybody, we are going to make air dry clay in this video, and this is Baljit.
And I'm Baljit Johal.
And let's talk about first what we need to make air dry clay. To make air dry clay, we're gonna use something like to mix. I'm using this kitchen bowl. We need a cornstarch. I'm using brand Argue. That's 100% pure cornstarch. We need a lemon juice or vinegar, baby oil or cooking oil, hand lotion, body lotion, any kind of lotion, school glue, or you can use white glue, either one. We need some measuring cups. Step 1, add 1 cup of cornstarch. When you're measuring 1 cup of cornstarch, make sure you're measuring exactly 1 cup because measurements are really important. Add 1 cup of cornstarch inside the bowl. Then we're gonna put 1 cup of white glue or school glue. Make sure you take all the glue from the cup. Don't leave any glue behind. Once you add glue, then we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of baby oil or cooking oil and half teaspoon of lemon juice vinegar. Anyone is available. Once we put all the stuff inside, then time to mix. The mixing part is really important. You have to mix really good because cornstarch is like a slippery kind of soft material. It is really hard to mix. Once you mix, we're gonna put in a microwave for 30 seconds. As you see, I put my microwave on 1 minute. As soon as I have a 30-second left, I will pull it out and mix really good. Same process we're gonna do 3 times. So basically we have to put exactly 1 minute 30 seconds inside the microwave, and every 30-second period we're gonna pull it out from the microwave. We have to mix really good. Each time you put in a microwave and pull it out, you will see that material was getting a little more thicker each time. So once you have it done 3 times, it should look like this. So now I need something like open space to mix it. You can either use any your kitchen countertop and have some plastic on it, but I decided to use this foil plate, and I'm putting some lotion inside and on my hand. So because once we have this start mix, it will be a little bit sticky, but once you mix really good, it will be get softer. It will not stick anymore. So put in any surface is easy for you, and we have to knead it really good. I'm using some dry cornstarch to make sure it doesn't stick to my hands or it don't stick to the foil plate. I think out of all to mixing the last process a little longer, it took me about 10 minutes to get exactly in shape. So once you have a mix really good, all soft, you will be feel it is look like as a clay right now. So it's coming up. So once you break it in part and you see it's like a kind of a little sticky, then your air dry clay is ready. Now you can put in a plastic zipper bag and put it out all the air so it don't get dry. To use the air dry clay after you make it, just give them about like 30 minutes and leave it for 30 minutes. Once it's cooled down, this clay will be ready to use. I ordered some silicone molding from eBay to make some my decoration stuff. Which one I am going to make in future. We will upload video when I make those some decoration with these molding. So you can use some piece of your clay. You can get piece whatever you need, and because it's the first time, I'm not sure if my clay gonna be stick to the molding because the molding is really fine. So I'm using some dry corn starch inside the molding, so just in case. Then I'm going to add some clay on it and press firmly, and once I'm done, and we can pull it out and we can put anywhere you need those design. or you can use your own molding, own design, whatever the way you want to make. But I have a future project for decoration, so I'm going to use those one. As you can see, our clay is ready, and you can make whatever you want to make. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.